Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube. I bought this blood pressure monitor from AliExpress. More details in description. Let's test it and see how it works. How to use it the right way. It may not be 100% accurate, but it's okay for home use and it's very close reading and good to have. It comes with a box, user manual, and plastic protection box. It's so easy to use. I didn't wrong way, but let's see what's reading.
Keep quiet, start to measure.
To test your blood pressure, you must be relaxed, calm, and no activities such as walking, basically not doing anything before testing your blood pressure for at least 5 minutes or so.
Keep quiet, start to measure.
This is the right way to use it, but I still not sitting right and still moving in my position is not comfortable, so the device is not going to read right again.
Keep quiet, start to measure. Systolic pressure 155 millimeter of mercury. Systolic pressure 96 millimeter of mercury. Heart rate 71 beats per minute. According to WHO guidelines, your blood pressure shows mild hypertension.
I switched my hand from left to right, let's see now.
Keep quiet, start to measure. Systolic pressure 146 millimeter of mercury. Systolic pressure 110 millimeter of mercury. Heart rate 70 beats per minute. According to WHO guidelines, your blood pressure shows severe hypertension.
Still not reading or testing right because I am not comfortable and my hand must be rested on pillow or same not on the ground. After relaxing for 5 minutes and my hand is little lower than my chest. And rested on sofa hand rest. It should read right this time.
Systolic pressure 123 millimeter of mercury. Systolic pressure 84 millimeter of mercury. Heart rate 68 beats per minute. According to WHO guidelines, your blood pressure is normal.
This is how to replace two AAA batteries. This tester has two users' memory, so can keep information for two users at same time.
Keep quiet, start to measure.
This is how to set up your age. Or you can leave it as is 0. The age starts from 0 to 99.
Keep quiet, start to... Keep quiet.
You can also change it from US to Europe or opposite. Alarm and sound settings. On or off. Sound volume low or high. This is how to set up time and date. For more details, please read description. Overall, it's really good, useful to buy and keep. Wish you all happy, healthy life. And all the best. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Best regards.